In this video, you will learn how to import and organize new members into your community. Bulk importing members into IdeaScale is an easy way to invite and organize your community's members. You can import members whether you have set up single sign-on or not. You can import members into a specific group by using their member profile questions, status, or usernames. I want to import a new innovation team into the community, and they will need to be in a group. I have the members display name and answers to these members' profile questions. The first thing is to check your member profile questions for specific answer types. I have 5 member profile questions: the user's department, their office, professional interest, and user type. I have a list of all their displayed names and email addresses. The following conditions must be met while uploading answers to member profile questions. The first column is for an email address. The second column is for display name. The third and subsequent column headers should correspond exactly to the member profile question labels that you want to upload. The values listed under each header are the answers to the corresponding member profile question for each member. These values should correspond exactly to the possible answers to each member profile question. As a reminder, in the Excel file, both the header label and the answers are case-sensitive. If your member profile question involves a checkbox answer, use true or false to describe a checked or unchecked answer. Multiple choice custom fields answer options should be comma-separated. Some member profile questions can be set as required or not required. HTML tags, bullets, smart quotes, and copyright and registered trademark symbols are not supported. The upload file should be in a .xls or .xlsx format only. Upload members in batches of up to 3,000 members per file. Previously uploaded members will not be duplicated. To import the Excel file, go to Member Management and go to Import. Select Members. First, drag and drop your Excel file to be imported. Second, you will need to decide whether to invite these members now with a verification email or notify these members at a later date. You can upload members silently by turning on the Disable Verification Email setting. This will prevent a verification email from being sent to the members at the time of the upload. When you are ready to alert the members to enter the community, you can email them a verification code through Member Management. Turn on the switch for Set Group, and a drop-down with all groups that were created earlier will appear. I will choose the Innovation Council group. Review your settings, and when you are ready, click Import. Once your import starts, a banner notification will appear on the top. The administrators will also receive an email confirmation after the software completes the member bulk upload process. If you want to upload member status, usernames, or specific roles, you can repeat the process by selecting member status, usernames, or roles from the import menu.